it's Tuesday and I have 2 sessions this morning. One in Gasparilla and one in Deeper South. I think it's behind Palmies. But yeah, I'm fighting through the pain. But it's not really pain, it's right now I am just low energy. But I'm gonna make sure I have a good breakfast, keep hydrated, and I should be fine. I should finish by 12:30 latest, and then I'll probably eat lunch and take a good nap. Because I get really bad pains, and it started when I was like in form 6. Before that, nothing, but now, yeah, it's kind of tough with that time of the month. So let's get the day started. And my video came out from my interview. Check it out, guys. It's a bit long. we spoke for like an hour, so but it was really fun, and I hope that you guys can see a different side of me and understand me just a little bit more. So go check it out when you have time. I promise it's not a waste of your time at all. And if you're interested in my SHAPE Me DIDI program, message me. If you want one of my cookbooklets, message me. Only $80. You get to meet me and I will sign it for you. It's a great deal. Great deal. And if you're far, $20 for delivery, so you just run it up. Breakfast time, let's go. I'm all dressed and ready to exercise. It's an exercise revisit session this morning, Gasparilla, and then I have a revisit session and a meal prep session. We're gonna make some muffins, most likely. Let's see how it goes. I have arrived. Let's go get this exercise on. So guys, I'm finishing my exercise revisit checkup session, and I'm now at another session. We're gonna do a checkup again and meal prep. So I'm probably gonna change when I get inside. Got everything I need right here. Just set it on fire. Heavy traffic. Oh no, sucks. Probably some sort of accident. Guys, be safe on the roads. Ready, guys, so I'm finished with my revisit checkup session. I made 2 simple, quick and easy things. It was overnight oats as well as some chocolate oat muffin cupcake thingies. It just took like literally 10 to 15 minutes to do both of them. So it was great. I'm heading home now, stuck in some traffic, not sure what happened, but I hope that is nothing serious. Yep, I do. Time I look around, it's a muffin. Traffic is still heavy. Just dressed down, finished editing my video vlog from yesterday and uploaded it. So right now I still have to type up the revisit session advice from today. There were 2, and send that off on emails and organize for tomorrow. Thinking about movies this evening. Ooh, what should I go and see? Still kind of tired. Gonna take a little nappy rest, and should be fine. I have to do a video ad for this booklet so that I can get them sold out. I have like 20 left. It has a lot of my favorite recipes. You're seriously not going to spend much time in the kitchen, and it's not going to take away most of your day. So that's the aim, for it to be healthy, nutritious, delicious, simple, quick and easy. Chocolate time. So guys, my vlog is up on YouTube. Go check it out, as well as Facebook. You know what it is. I need help to find a place for my diabetes scores. And I also did my interview, so you can check that out. It's kind of long, but if you want to know more about me and my story, you can check it out. They were lovely hosts. So I'm now finished typing up everything and sent it on email. I'm gonna have some nuts and jelly mood this morning. There was a lot of rain just now, so I hope that you guys are safe on the roads. Please be safe. Drive the speed limit. Taking them to the garden. They're so cute and excited. So happy. This is the worst day to take them though, but yeah. Alrighty guys, so I'm finished. I just went out for some hot chocolate and it's time to go to bed. I was supposed to have a session in the morning, but she canceled because things got busy, which I completely understand, because remember, the program is flexible to meet your specific needs. So even if she can't make it tomorrow morning, it will just roll over next week. So far, the person this morning lost weight and she lost healthy body fat, gained muscle, her water improved, so everything is going in the right direction. As your dietitian nutritionist and healthcare professional, I'm willing to help you to reach whatever health goals that you want to set for yourself. All you have to do is message me on any of my social media links and I will be there for you. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well.